Hi English learners, to another lesson of English pronunciation and phonetics. This is Twisty Soundy Sounds YouTube channel, a channel devoted to the English pronunciation. In this tutorial, I will show you the correct pronunciation of precocity, precocious, rubricate, petrichor, velocity. These are the 5 English words of today's video of pronunciation. Let's go back to the first word and study its sounds. It's a noun. We say precocity. Precocity. Syllables in this word, precocity. It's a 4-syllable word. This word contains 4 vowel sounds. The second vowel sound showcased by the red arrow and also the line, thus the stressed syllable. It is the second vowel sound of this word. We say precocity. Precocity. What's precocity? It's being surprisingly advanced or developed for your age. That's the meaning of precocity. I repeat, precocity. The second word is the adjective from this word, and this is how we articulate this adjective. We say precocious. Precocious. Syllables, precocious. It's a 3-syllable word. The second syllable, co, showcased by the line, should have the stress. We say precocious. Precocious. A precocious child is a child having advanced or developed abilities before his age. That's the meaning of being precocious. I repeat, precocity, first word, precocious, the second word. Stressed syllable, the second syllable of the word. The third word of today's video is rubricate. 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 It's a 3-syllable verb. To rubricate. The stressed syllable is ru with long u, the first vowel sound of the word. That's the way we pronounce this verb. We say to rubricate. We put the stress on the first vowel sound. Rubricate. And to rubricate is to add elaborate decoration to a manuscript or to a writing. That's the meaning of to rubricate. I repeat the first 3 words, precocity, precocious, rubricate. The fourth word of today's video is petrichor. That's a beautiful word, petrichor. Petrichor is a noun, and this noun contains 3 syllables, petrichor. The first syllable, pe, should have the stress. We say petrichor. What's a petrichor? That's the distinctive smell of the earth after rain. That kind of distinctive smell is called the petrichor, caused by the rain touching the ground. A beautiful word, beautiful smell. Petrichor, 3-syllable word, stressed syllable, the first syllable, pe. The last word in today's tutorial of pronunciation is velocity. Velocity. It's a 4-syllable noun. Velocity. The stressed syllable is la, which is the second syllable. We say velocity. Velocity. As a noun, this word has the meaning of, let's say, the speed of a given thing or the speed of something in a given direction. Let's call it velocity, the speed, the velocity. Let's practice the words. Precocity, precocious, rubricate, petrichor, velocity. Velocity, petrichor, rubricate, precocious, and precocity. Twisty Soundy Sounds YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.